Welcome back to Low-Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Yes, you probably figured that out, the low-carb cocktail guy. Today's video is gonna be a battle extraordinaire. It's gonna be the infamous White Claw, keto lover's favorite hard seltzer, versus Truly, but not just the regular Truly. This is the Truly Lemonade series. All right, guys, so I've already done this. I already know who my winner is, but I'm kind of talking to you guys about what this is and how I feel about it. So White Claw. White Claw is the bomb. Everybody's talking about White Claw, White Claw, White Claw. It's some good shit. It really is. On here, 2 grams of carbs. On here, 3 grams of carbs. 1 gram of carbs difference. Now, the problem I have with hard seltzers is they say seltzer. Seltzer's technically just carbonated water. But a lot of them, you've seen my review video in Henry's. If you haven't, I'll put a link right here. I find that a lot of them have more of a mineral water kind of taste. Really don't like that. White Claw was one of the better ones I've had. Now, I've had the regular Truly, they're good. White Claw, really good. So, but the Lemonade series, we'll talk about that in a minute. So let's pop these open. We'll talk about these. So the White Claw, these are the black cherry flavor. So we're going flavor and flavor, both black cherries. So yeah, White Claw. We all know White Claw. Yummy black cherry with that malt liquor or whatever it is they use to increase that alcohol. To me, it reminds me of, man, what was that one back in like the 90s, the early 90s? What was that? Ice. Remember the ice? Oh, man, smearing off ice. It reminds me of that. That's kind of what I get out of this. And I've had the smearing off seltzers. They're not bad either. Black cherry, really there. It's not fun. You definitely take black cherry. What I didn't like about the Henry's is I really didn't pick up a lot of the flavor it was supposed to have. The White Claws definitely have the flavor. Now, the Truly Lemonade Hard Seltzers. This is the shit. I will no longer be behind White Claw. For 1 gram of carb difference, that's not a lot. You know, you watch your carbs, if you're doing keto, you're watching macros. That's not a lot of carbs, just 1 carb difference. This is so much better. I don't know if that addition of the lemon just really pulls out that black cherry, because the black cherry flavor is so much more prominent in this one opposed to this one. Don't get me wrong, White Claw's good. This is just a shit ton better. But this lemonade added to it, I don't really taste the lemonade per se. I really don't. It just, whatever they put in here to classify as a lemonade, there's just a lot of words on this. You've seen these cans, you know, shit you can't pronounce. But that really pulls that black cherry in the front, and that just hard malt liquor, whatever they use in this, you don't taste that here. This one is 5% ABV, hard seltzer with natural flavors. And unlike some of the other hard seltzers I found, this has 0 mineral water type of taste. This one is 5% ABV. So they both have the same ABV. So, but the Truly Hard Seltzer, the Lemonade series, is amazing. Now, this one, I'm looking at a box right over there. Toss me the box. Toss me the box. Incoming. The black cherry, the original lemonade, the mango lemonade, and the strawberry lemonade. They're all friggin' awesome. This is gonna be my go-to hard seltzer from here on out. I'm gonna say that. White Claw, yeah, you're good. If I can't find these, I'll jump back to White Claw. But overall, Truly Hard Seltzer is the bomb. Specifically the lemonade, because I haven't had the regular Truly, they're okay. And the regular Truly, I would jump with the White Claw over Truly, but the Lemonade series, hands down, my opinion, the best hard seltzer on the market, period. So guys, pick up some Truly lemonades if you've not had them yet. So this is some really good shit. The mango lemonade, I think, was my wife's favorite, but I've always been a black cherry fan. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you've not done so yet, go ahead and click subscribe, ring the bell icon. We'll let you know when every video is coming out. Y'all have a great day, because after 3 or 4 of these, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.